Hello, I am from Fixing Man. Today I will show you how to place an order on Fixing Man. So first you can open the app and then complete the registration procedure and log in. And simply when you log in, see at the bottom of the home page, click for repairing and then fill the following data like customer address in where you want to uh, repair your device. Okay, then write something about your fault like led repairing. Okay, and upload your photo like I'm uploading. Okay, and then simply okay, and then select repairing services like I want to LED repairing. Then I select the relevant category of my option like LED. That's one. And then I want to uh, select timing like 5:27. Okay, and date like I want to meet that person on 22 March, so then we choose this. Okay, and then select state. Okay, and as you know that our application or company charge is only 10 rupees per service, then click on that and click on submit. When you click on, then that type of box will show in your orders menu, and in which you track your order lifetime and pay them through online UPIs or cash on delivery. Okay, so in this way you place your order, and if you facing any type of error, then please share your query on live spot. Click on plus tab and write your question or query. Select category like technical science. Okay, and add anonymous and add address, and then in just 10 to 15 minutes your query might be solved. Okay, so that's all about how you place your order. So thank you.